Welcome to FA SDMC channel. Kindly subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get a notification about new updates. Let's go for the solution of problem number 4. Trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st December 2016. First to opening stock 80,000, to purchases 2 lakh. From that we need to deduct purchase returns 10,000, wages 8,600, add outstanding wages, go to the adjustment. Wages and salary outstanding rupees 200 and rupees 200 respectively. We need to add outstanding wages. It becomes 8,800 now. The opening is 8,600. For that we need to add outstanding wages 200. Now it is outer column 8,800. Freight, it's a direct expenses. Okay, 10,000. Carriage, they given carriage. If they given simply garage in the trial balance, it becomes we need to consider as a carriage inwards 8,000. Okay, now go to the credit side of the trading account. By sales 3,50,000. From that we need to deduct 8,000 sales returns, outer column 3,42,000. By closing stock, it is in adjustment 1,20,000. Now the trading account costing how much? 4,62,000. The gross profit how much? In credit side is more than the debit side. It leads profit. Okay, the gross profit carried on 1,65,200. Now brought down to the profit and loss account on the credit side. Now go through the direct expenditures. Okay, revenues and deferred expenditure. On the debit side of profit and loss account, to salaries 20,000, add outstanding salary 200. It's given in the adjustment. Okay, it's outstanding means not yet paid. Okay, after we came to know that after closing the trial balance, it's not yet added to the existing salary, add it to the opening value of salary. Okay, now it is 20,200. Rent 2,600. So prepaid rent, go to the adjustment. Rent prepaid is 200. So prepaid expenses, it must be deducting from the opening balance, because that rent is not pertaining to the prevailing year, it is pertaining to the subsequent year. Okay, so that's why it's deducting from the opening value of rent 2,600. From that we need to deduct 200, outer column 2,400. Okay, because that rent is not pertaining to the this year, it's pertaining to the next year. So next is sundry expenses, no adjustment, straight away in outer column 1,200. Next to bad debts 4,000. For that bad debts we need to add new RBD. So that new RBD we can calculate on the debtors. What is the book value of debtors? 1,200. On that we need to calculate 3%. RBD means it won't come this year. It may come next year or maybe upcoming years. But in this year that amount is not coming. We need to maintain a reserve for that. Okay, so that we are calculating the reserve on the exact debtors. 1,20,000 into 3%. 3,600 won't come this year. Now it's bad debt. So how much? 7,600. From that we need to deduct old reserve. It's given in the trial balance. Last year reserve, it's considered as an old reserve. We maintain only 7,000. The difference 600 is lost for us. Okay. Next to the postage and stationery, no adjustment, straight away in outer column 2,800. To old reserve for discount on creditors, because the creditors means the amount that we need to pay to the creditors. Okay, we have a creditors and debtors. Creditors ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್, ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅವರು ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್, ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟು ದಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ 2,000 discount only for us. We maintain a reserve how much? 2,400. We expected 2,400 but we received only 2,000. So the difference is lost for us. Actually we maintained 2,400. We are expecting 2,400 but we received only 2,000. The difference is lost for us. Okay. Depreciation on land and building 12,000. So interest on capital. The firm is giving interest to the owner here. Okay. For his capital. 84,000 into 4% is expenses for the firm. That's why it's appear on the debit side of profit and loss accounts. Next is credit side. By old reserve for discount on debtors. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3,000 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆವು. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2,400. ನಾವು 3,000 ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2400 ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 600 is profit for us. It's an income for the firm. That's why it's appear on the credit side of profit and loss accounts. The grand total is 1,65,800. That difference is goes to the balance sheet under capital. Okay, net profit 1,22,840, because the credit is more than the debit side. It gives profit for us 1,22,840. Now go to the balance sheet as on 31st December 2016. Go to the asset side. Cash in hand 2,000, cash at bank 8,000, debtors 1,20,000. Okay, from that we need to deduct new reserve for doubtful debts 3,600. Outer column 1,16,400. Land and building 1,20,000. From that we need to deduct depreciation 12,000. Okay, outer column 1,08,000. Prepaid rent 200. Closing stock 1,20,000. Why we need to take that prepaid rent? It's a prepaid expenses. It's an asset for us this year, but next year it's a liability for us. We need to pay for them. Okay, this year it's asset because that rent is paid in advance. It's a prepaid expense. It appears under asset side. Okay, closing stock 1,20,000. Next, go to the liability side. Creditors 1,20,000. Bills payable 24,000. Capital 84,000. For that we need to add net profit 1,22,840. Okay, and for that we need to add interest on capital. It is treated as a drawings because the firm is giving interest to the owner, proprietor, for his capital. Okay, 3,360. Outstanding wages, and before that outer column how much? Capital. So after deduction of after adding this interest on capital as well as net profit, it becomes 2,10,200. So next, outstanding expenses. It's a liability for the firm. Okay, it is not yet paid. It to pay to the concerned people. Okay, it's a liability. It has to pay for them. Outstanding wages 200. Outstanding salary 200. Now that balance sheet gets tally 3,54,600. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please write it through in a comment box. Okay, thank you. See you soon.